What's going on, guys? This is Johnny Vlogs here, and today I'm going to test the chicken nuggets at Wendy's, see how they taste. This is what they look like. Look, it freaking looks like a triangle, looks really good. And I got it with barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce and nuggets go hand in hand with one another. So let me try this. It tastes pretty good. I like the nuggets. So, freaking awesome. You get 4-piece. With your biggie bag. So if you could please like, comment, subscribe, Johnny Vlogs, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much, and God bless.